All right, well, I don't have anything prepared because I didn't know this was happening, but I just want to say thank you to every single one of you, like every student, every teacher. I mean, we haven't been here like forever. I say we because Mr. H and I. But this has been like such a welcoming community, and like thank you to Mr. Manning and to the school board for helping move the school forward, providing us like the professional development and the development that like helped me to be the teacher that I am. And thank you to every single one of you little kids that I've ever taught. I love all of you guys so much. I know, hi. You're all so great, and I couldn't have done it without you. Like, you're truly such a joy in my life. Like, it's just been such a joy to teach every one of you. And it has been such a joy for me to work more with the high school this year. I know you guys see me sneaking through your classes all the time, and yeah, you know, I was watching you guys. And it's been so much fun to branch out and move throughout the whole school. And I just appreciate everyone so much, and I appreciate our support staff and all of our staff that has believed in me for so many years, because I couldn't have done any of this without people believing in me. And I really think that, like, I feel supported here, and it's just been so great to work here, and it's been so great to work with all of you guys. And so thank you. And I couldn't have done it without all of you. It's the most amazing staff ever, and everyone's so collaborative and so willing to work with each other. And I wouldn't be the teacher I am if I didn't have the teachers with me to help me work through everything that I do on a daily basis. So really just thank you guys for everything that you do. I so appreciate it.